Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix restricted account in Facebook. If you are using any Facebook ID and you are facing the issue that your account has been restricted, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first you just have to open your Facebook app here and then tap on the profile option here, tap on that, and now you just have to tap on three dots here and then select profile status, and here you'll see your violations of guidelines of Facebook which you made and your account has been restricted. So once you have checked, you just have to go over this menu option in the bottom right corner and then tap on settings and privacy here, then tap on settings here, then tap on account center, select personal details, select identity confirmation, then select confirm your identity and follow the process here. Once you have confirmed your identity, you just have to go back and then tap on help and support, then tap on report a problem, and now you can easily go back and check your phone on the page when you're having issue. But I'm going to select continue to report option here, and then you just have to select the include or don't include option if you want to include complete logs and diagnostics in your report. I'm going to select don't include here. Now you just have to select the option of restricted account. You can also use Facebook help for Facebook support.web. So now to use Facebook support.web, you just have to open your browser, look for Facebook support, open help center here, and then you just have to look for the help center here. Simply search for restricted account and you will get different options here. You just have to select Facebook content restrictions based on local laws, or here's the option of my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. So now you'll get different options from here. So you can easily unrestrict your account by using these options. Or you can also contact Facebook support to get official help to fix your issue. If you're restricted or temporary, it will be fixed after 1 day or 2 days, but after doing this step of identity verification, or if there's not restricted temporary, so you will have to contact with Facebook support team and get official help from there. Your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.